Hello everyone, it's Cranky here. So today I've got this, you see, laminated waterproof padlock. This is a MyHome brand, which is a brand from a shopping chain called The Range here in the UK. It's 40mm, you can see £2.29. This is my nod to Mr. Albert LaBelle. So what are the features? Includes 2 keys. Well, there we are, that's a feature. Ideal for sheds, gates, garages, and etc. Okay, so there we are. So let's have a look. Give it open. Try not to injure myself in the process. Right, let's have a look. Probably going to be harder to get into the packaging. There we are. Okay, so right away, I mean, as you'd expect, it just feels cheap. But okay, let's get a key off and check that it works first. So that's the bit in. Nothing overly special. Oh, very gritty. Oh god, it's really stiff. Oh. Right, let's see what it can do. Might be a bit too big. Let's try this one. That's way too big. Let's try this one. Let's try that. Right, let's see if I can use my old reliable, my monkey paw. So, I mean, it's been a while since I've been picking, so might take me a bit longer than normal. Oh, that's a click somewhere. That's another one. I think I'm going to need a thinner pick. Yep. Maybe even a thinner tensioner. Let's try this one. Okay. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try one of these. Okay, see what we're doing. Oh, this is embarrassing. Should have this open by now. Just try a different. Let's try this one. It's a bit thinner. What am I doing here? Right. Can't let this £2.29 lock beat me. Come on. It keeps clicking, but let's try a different tensioner. Let's try one of these. That's too thick. It's not quite, but let's try. Yeah, okay, that might be better. Let's click there. Another click there and a bit of a turn. Another click there. Click there. I think we're winning. So look. So click. I think it's this one at the back. This is embarrassing. Shows you when you don't practice for a while. Oh my god. I'm sure you'd have all had this open by now. I mean, it is gritty and stiff, so I'm using that as an excuse. That tension is really no good. Let's try this one again. Probably should have put some spray in it. And if I can rake it instead. There we are. So I didn't quite pick it, but it's been a while. So apologies for that, but managed to get in the end with a bit of a tickle from the rake. So there we are. It's not a great video, I do apologise. But yeah, I will be back soon with another one. And thank you everybody for sticking by me, and I will see you again soon. Just shows you can't always win them all, even when it's £2.29, but I'm sure you guys would have got in. But there we are. Right everyone, see you all again soon. Bye bye.